Here's a great deal on a 2015 Scion XB. This four-door, five-passenger wagon still has less than 80,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, front fog lights, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.